So this next one is slightly less awkward to sing in front of my students and parents. Another good rule when you go into audition, right? You don't want to do something that everybody and their mother is singing. You also don't want to do something where the time signature changes, like what? What did we discover? Like 4?
6, 8, 3, 4.
Yeah, like 3 or 4 times. It goes back and forth, which is super fun for a pianist. So let's do "Stranger to the Rain" from Children of Eden.
Your cast.
Thank you.